Taking care of your brain health is more important than ever. There are more than 9.9 million new cases of dementia each year worldwide, and this figure is projected to increase to 131.5 million by 2050. Older adults are not the only ones at risk for cognitive disorders. More than 1/3 of graduate students report suffering from depression, and this trend is showing no signs of slowing down. Fortunately, good choices about what you eat can make a big difference. Brain health and depression. How does depression link to cognitive decline? Cognitive dysfunction affects attention, verbal and nonverbal learning, short-term and working memory, visual and auditory processing, problem solving, processing speed, and motor functioning. So, unfortunately, depression has a major impact on cognitive function and future cognitive impairment. With depression on the rise and an increase in cases of dementia, it is clear that our brains are not getting healthier, and our memory is faltering earlier in life. Fortunately, a decline in brain health and an increase in memory loss do not have to be a part of aging or any stage of life. You can significantly reduce your risk of brain-related illnesses by making changes to your diet and lifestyle. Foods in a brain health diet. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric is a yellow spice in traditional Indian dishes and is often found in mixed curry powders. It benefits your body's inflammatory response due to the antioxidant compound curcumin. Curcumin is a neuroprotective agent capable of crossing your blood-brain barrier, as well as inhibiting and breaking up the destructive beta amyloids that can accumulate in the brains of Alzheimer's patients. It can also boost memory and stimulate new cell growth in the brain. 2. Celery. Celery contains a plant compound called luteolin. It is from a family of plant molecules that you may now be familiar with, flavonoids. Luteolin inhibits the release of inflammatory molecules in the brain. One study found that luteolin reduced inflammation triggered by a certain kind of bacteria that damages cells, while another study showed the anti-inflammatory effects of luteolin in the brain. Specifically, it impacted the part of the brain responsible for memory and cognitive ability, the hippocampus. 3. Broccoli. Both broccoli and cauliflower are good sources of choline, a B vitamin known for its ability to support brain development. In the brain, choline speeds up the creation and release of acetylcholine, a protein that carries signals among brain cells and is important for memory and assorted other brain functions. Broccoli also contains high levels of flavonoids and other phytonutrients, which support your body's detoxification pathways, and, you guessed it, your inflammatory response. 4. Extra virgin olive oil. Real extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, is true brain food. It's one of the reasons why a Mediterranean diet is recommended for optimum brain health and many other aspects of overall health. The oil contains tons of polyphenols and antioxidants such as vitamin E, which support memory and learning ability. 5. Leafy greens. New research is telling us that daily servings of greens such as kale, Swiss chard, and romaine lettuce can help keep dementia at bay. The study revealed that when adults eat just one serving of leafy green vegetables once or twice per day, they experience slower mental deterioration, even when they have a family history of dementia. Leafy green vegetables are packed with folate, and oftentimes an insufficiency of folate is associated with cognitive decline. Folate helps prevent the beta amyloid plaque that we know forms as Alzheimer's progress. Additionally, folate lowers the high homocysteine levels that often accompany brain aging and dementia. 6. Fatty fish. The human brain is 60% fat, and around 50% of that fat is composed of the omega-3 fatty acid DHA, which is negatively linked to dementia. Certain cold water oily fish, including salmon, sardines, mackerel, trout, and tuna, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids such as DHA. 4 4-ounce servings of fatty fish per week should provide optimal levels of fish oil for your body and brain, yet even replacing one protein a week with omega-3 rich fatty fish improves your thinking skills.